Good morning, Mari. It's time to wake up. So we started with a breakfast. We slept until 8 o'clock today and we made some porridge with bananas. Our camper Millie has everything to make a tasty coffee.
We just love that Millie also has a foam machine.
It's time to hit the road again. We will drive from our campsite Childers to Agnes Water. We will drive around 2 hours. We are passing also some bridges and rivers. Morning from our third day with our amazing van with Camplify. Today we're gonna drive to Agnes Water. It takes around 2 hours. We slept very well actually in the van. The bed is a little bit small, but we will definitely get used to it. It just started rain now. And yeah, we're gonna make our lunch there by Agnes Water and then continue to our camp for the night, and then we're gonna drive on the fourth day to Early Bay, yeah. And then we're gonna make a tour probably to the White Sundays. We will see. So we love that everything is quite spontaneous on this trip, so we don't know really where we're gonna stay, what we're gonna do, and I have to check now the maps where we have to go.
I don't even know where to drive now.
We find the right way, and we also passed this little train. Hey guys, so this is Travel Buddy, our camper. We rented over Camplify. It's an amazing platform if you want to rent any van in Australia, New Zealand, and a lot of other places. So we're gonna give you now a little bit of a room tour that you can see how amazing this van is and how comfortable you can travel. So I'm just gonna go in now. This is like our living room. We got here a lot of plugs for the lights in the night. Then we got like max air. We can put in fresh air from above every time, so it's perfect after a long sleep, so that the old air gets out and fresh in. Then we have also an air condition for very hot days. Of course, we can also make the van warm if it's cold. We have a lot of plugs here and here. Here is the washing water area, so we got fresh water and we also got filtered water to drink. We got a lot of places for storage. I can show what's inside, so like salt, oil and things like that. And we always have to fix it very well, because when we're driving we don't want that it fall out. Then we got the fridge with a lot of things inside, and yeah, so we got a place for like dinner or lunch, whatever, to hang out, chill, and with a table that you can move out. Yes, the cool thing about this one is the electricity is all connected with solar lights on the solar plates on the roof. So we always got a lot of energy, so we can just switch the power on if we need any more energy. So like the fridge and everything is connected to that, so we will always have enough of energy because sun is out here in Australia all the time. Yeah, and then we also got like the informations that we see. Okay, we have 80% left of energy. Then we have the water that is 48% full. So we don't need to fill it up right now, but soon I think so. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you now how we're gonna cook here in this van, because we are in a kitchen, so we need to make some warm food. So Mari has to get out of here. So the kitchen is just located here. We can just pull it up, and then our kitchen is here. And we can open this one, and here we can cook. So this thing is connected to the gas bottle, so we can just plug it in and then it's connected. Yeah, and then we can cook our meals. That's amazing, so we don't need to search for food anywhere because we have it all here. Then let me gonna show you our bed. So our bed is just here. We can open the door behind, then we got amazing view. We also got a toilet just here, but actually we don't want to use it because we have to clean it then, so we don't do that. We don't want to do that. We got spaces for a lot of things, so we also have boards and knives and everything, so that's pretty much is on this side. So we're gonna continue with the other things of the van. Okay, this is behind of the van. We will not open this door because our things is like stocked everywhere and we don't want that it falling out. So we have a table here, chairs. We also got this thing to make like a roof if it's too sunny, but we got now amazing trees, so we don't need that. And then we have beautiful view if we stay somewhere with sea view or whatever. That's it for behind. So on Camplify you can hire Millie, it's the name of the camper. Then here behind you have the plugs for the water, so you can fill up the water. Electricity if we need it, but we don't need it, we have the solar on the top. Here it's the shower, so we can open that. We will show you that in another another time. And then I have no key now, but this one we will also show you later on. The shower that we have fresh water inside, so we can just shower warm and hot. That's amazing. And yeah, we're gonna show you also the front, but not now because it's a mess. If you liked that video, so please give us a like and subscribe on our channel. We're gonna travel for 13 days from Brisbane to Cairns, and we will post every day a video from our day, from our trip. So it would be great if you also follow us along, and we're gonna show you everything in the next few days.
Now it's time for our lunch. Mara is cooking something very, very tasty.
After lunch, we are here now by the Agnes Water Beach. We're gonna check this beach out. Let's see if it's possible to swim. And after that, we continue to our next camp stop. Currently, our water runs off, so we need to refill it. But because it's Sunday, it's hard to find the cart that we need to get the water tanks. So we will see how we do that, and maybe our camp will have also a shower.
Came down to this beautiful beach. Here you have to be careful of stingrays and sharks. So we decided just to hang out. It's time to hit the road again. After a few hours of driving,
We found our place where we're gonna stay tonight with our van.
Time for shower.
Yes, now it's time for shower. Luckily, yeah, we have a pretty good view here with the river and the sunset. And yeah, it's like a cute parking place and space, and we have also showers, so we're gonna shower now. And then we're gonna prepare some dinner, have some dinner in here, and do some work afterwards, and then soon go to sleep. So that's our third day, and we're looking forward to tell you everything about the tomorrow, and do the next video. So see you tomorrow.
the shower was disgusting, but it's time for dinner. See you on day 4.